Hello my people, I'm gonna cook for you an eggplant salad, very easy to make. We need a few eggplants, one small onion. I will use a blender, but it's not obligatory, it's just optional, the blender. Alright, a little bit of oil and salt, of course. Is a very easy recipe, easy to make. You can put a few eggplants. I have only one, I just bought this one. So we need to bake it about an hour in the oven, okay? Then we peel it and then we can put it directly into the blender with a little bit of oil and with the onion, of course. So what I did, I pinched the eggplant a little bit, yeah, with a knife, otherwise it will explode in the oven. We put it in the oven for about 1 hour to bake it nicely. Alright, so I baked the eggplant for about 1 hour in the oven. I will peel the skin, and after this you will see. I peeled it, and now we have two options. Either we cut it into very small pieces, yeah, like this. Yeah. All right. And mix it with the onion. Either we put everything here inside the blender, okay? We put a little bit of oil and salt, okay? And we will blend it, but not too much. Yeah, very short time. Finish and have our eggplant salad. Very easy to make, people. You put the salad on a slice of bread. You put some fresh parsley if you have, and that's it. All right, you can make this salad with 4 eggplants, okay? About 4 eggplants and 1 onion. I hope you like it, and see you next time.